Hey guys, quick video for you on how you can connect your ASUS monitor to Xbox. It's super simple. So if your ASUS monitor got HDMI, then you're gonna look here for the Xbox HDMI port, and you're gonna connect the ASUS monitor to your HDMI port. It's super simple like that. But maybe your ASUS monitor doesn't have the HDMI port, you have VGA or display port. I don't know what kind of cable you got, right? But let's say you have DVI port or VGA port. This looks like this that you see right here. So then what you need to do, you need to get adapter. So you're gonna have the VGA adapter HDMI, and now what you would do is that you would buy something like this. So you're gonna buy a VGA port that you would VGA adapter. You would insert the VGA cable here, and this thing here would go to the Xbox. You got it, right? So look what kind of cable you got, and then look for the adapter that it would have the HDMI ending, and then you just have to buy it, and you got it.